In this video, I want to cover an update we've made to our ESS portal version 4.5. Really, this is specific to honor some of the configurations that ServiceNow has made in the Madrid release related to how catalog items should present the buttons, whether they should require attachments. So what I'm referring to is if we go to one of these catalog items, you'll see if you're on a Madrid or later version, you'll see a new kind of tab for portal settings. So you'll see some options in here where you can define the request method of order, request, or submit. And when you select some of these, like you choose request, you'll see it'll kind of fill in some of the checkboxes. You do a submit, you'll see it do other ones here. And there's also some fields related to hiding the attachments and the mandatory attachments. So first of all, let me show you kind of without adjusting these what these items look like. Right, so I can go to my cubicle modifications catalog item. You'll see it kind of has an order now, add to cart kind of button. This is your kind of default kind of model. The add to attachments, the quantity kind of shows up in this as well, right? So if I change this to request, right, you'll see it hide quantity, hide add to cart. And I'll just kind of click off of this and click back to it. You'll see now it just has a request button, no quantity, no add to cart kind of option, right? So same thing if I were to switch this to submit, hide delivery time. This one doesn't have any delivery time, so it's kind of hard to show the difference, but you will see the button will adjust here as well. Right, so now it just has a submit kind of button. Right, so further you'll see the option here to say hide attachment. Right, if I do that, you'll see mandatory attachment goes kind of read only. Same thing, that attachments button disappears. Now the way the mandatory attachment kind of works, you'll see this, right? So if I say mandatory attachment, my attachment button shows up again. Right when I hit submit, it's going to say attachment is required. Same thing would happen if I had add to cart, it would require attachment on that, right? And then obviously if I put in an attachment, then I can then do the submit without issue. Right, so that's short and simple here. That's all I wanted to cover, that we do now support the portal settings kind of tab on the catalog item forms. I should mention too that if you open these up in the modals, the same options apply here as well. Right, it'll do it in the modal kind of view in addition to that view details. You just don't have that sidebar option. Hope this is helpful, and thank you.